All right, number 10 on the QR code review is asking us to graph this function here without using any technology, label the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and label 3 points, and then fill out all the questions. So remember that this is in standard form. So when you're in standard form, there are these 5 steps that we talked about in class. One, we have to label A, B, and C. So A is worth 3, B is worth -6, and C is worth 4. So that's step 1. That's what you're going to want to do. Step 2 is figure out the x-coordinate of the vertex. We find that by taking -b over 2a. So the opposite of -6 is just 6. So that's going to be 6 over 2 times a, which is 3. So this is going to be 6 divided by 6, which is 1. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is at 1. Step 3 is get your axis of symmetry. So the x is going to always be whatever number you get in step 2. So that's kind of like a gift, right? So x equals 1, it just matches whatever number we got in step 2. Step 4, finding the y-coordinate of the vertex. This can be challenging for students. The way that you do it is you want to evaluate whatever number you got in step 2, so f of 1. So if the x-coordinate is 1, we're going to plug it into our function and find the y-coordinate. So that's 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 4. So 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. This is just -6, and then plus 4. So adding from left to right, 3 minus 6 is -3. -3 plus 4 is worth 1. So our vertex, looks like our vertex is located at the point 1, 1. This is the x-coordinate, and this is the y-coordinate. So there's my vertex, 1, 1. And then step 5, of course, is the graph. So I'm going to graph it for you and then answer all the questions on the back. So our vertex was at 1, 1, so we'll go over 1 and up 1. Okay, our a value was worth 3. If you remember from the back, our a value was worth 3. So I'm going to go over 1 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 1 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. My axis of symmetry is going to be the line that goes straight through the vertex, which is right here. So that's the line x is equal to 3. And this is going to go up like this. And then this is going to go up like that. Okay, so we're going to answer all the questions here. What form is this thing in? Well, this is in standard form. Okay, what's the domain? The domain of any quadratic is always all real numbers. What's the range? Well, again, the range is the lowest y value and then upwards. So everything that's above your lowest y value. So in this case, it's going to be y's are greater than or equal to, looks like 1 in this case. And then the y-intercept is right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the y-intercept is the point 0, 4. So that would be this point right here, 0, 4. All right, that's everything you need for number 10. Tough question.